Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the game volume in SpiritVale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, do so by pressing the gear icon or the escape key on the keyboard. From here, select audio, and as you can see, under audio you can change the volume of music and sound, so everything else. How does it work? You can set it to 0 to mute this type of sound completely, so everything else or music, and 100 being the maximum available. Choose any value in between, or including 0 and 100. The same goes for music volume. After you're done, press the X button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.